Welcome back to Joyce Tanya Uncut. So right now we're currently at my parents'. So come in, let's go. You guys know Tommy already. What's good, Tommy? You good? Good, dude. Okay, so let's see. Let's see the here. Honey, I'm home. Okay, so we have Rosette. Rosette, where you at? Say hi. Hi. We have Rosette, okay. Rosette is my girlfriend. I'm joking, but you know, love, much love. Okay, let's go outside. Okay, so we have the whole family here. We have JP, my dad, Vicky, Hey, my sister-in-law, my sister, my brother, my niece, my godson. The family. Welcome to Joyce Tanya Uncut.
Making the band, but all of us fell, so it's it's 5 guys right now that made it. Oliver got dropped, I got dropped, so now it's only the boys, JP and 2 girls. And I think it's already a plus for Josiane to have a girl handling the drums. I saw her yesterday, she has the vibe.
Yeah, the vibe.
Yeah, she be like good vibes. She be like, you know. Get that hair with me.
Get in there.
Yeah.
Get in there.
I'm gonna see who wins.
Yes.
So the rule is, the first person to miss the shot gets thrown in the pool.
And the one that doesn't go in the pool.
What'd you say?
The one that doesn't get pushed in the pool.
You're right. High five. Woo, let's go.
I never saw someone go in the pool with tennis before. Stop.
So you're next?
So Vicky and JP, I agree, let's go. Ladies first.
I thought I already made it though.
Yeah, but we did it again.
We're bringing JP now. JP got shit on point.
Wait. Hey.
You see this?
Yes, it's fine.
What? I guess it's a party. Step out too.
Hold up.
No way. The first shot I made, so I don't really understand why that one didn't count, but I got thrown out. And now it's a real party!
Okay, so right now my dad versus Oliver. Oliver. Yo, you want to watch?
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! Nice, you're the birthday girl in the pool!
Yani, what are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
I'm watching the prank. Oh my god, this is hilarious. Oh, it's the same thing.
the best is keep on being creative, spontaneous, funny, okay, and good to each other, to yourself.
And work hard.
Work hard, play hard.
Yeah.